The Stiegelmeyer Group is a family-run company. It was founded in 1900 in Herford, and in 2025 we had the privilege of celebrating 125 years of Stiegelmeyer. The Stiegelmeyer Group provides products for hospitals, nursing homes, and home care. Our core products are beds for these facilities, but we also manufacture complete service rooms and full room furnishings, including wardrobes, sideboards, tables, chairs, and more. We need to be able to meet the individual needs of our customers. For this reason, we must maintain a high level of flexibility, and speed is, of course, also a key factor. We chose IMOS because we wanted to implement software that is proven in the industry. It was important to us that the software could integrate with an SQL database. During the implementation of the project, it was crucial for us to have a dedicated point of contact. This was provided. This allowed us to respond quickly throughout the project. We achieved fast response times and were able to deliver excellent project results. Even after the project was completed, we have a reliable partner in IMOS where we can quickly get help via the hotline if any issues arise.
Here at Stiegelmeyer, we use various IMOS components. First, we have the CAD module, which we use to process orders constructively. Then we have the CAM module, which we use to generate CNC data for our fully automated production line here on site. This module controls individual machines as well as our presses. We also use iX Scout to provide specific information in the area of custom production, enabling workers to quickly access the necessary details.
At Stiegelmeyer, we have both automated processes and manual interventions. Automated processes primarily involve our catalog products. These flow directly into production and we don't need to intervene in the operational order processing. Where we do need to step in is with our custom solutions such as service rooms, reception desks and kitchen units. In these cases, we make adjustments, and after approval, the process continues seamlessly into our ERP and MES systems.
We also generate drawings and exploded views. These are displayed at specific stations in production so that employees know which component is currently being manufactured. The exploded views are particularly helpful during final assembly, providing workers with a visual representation of the finished product. Bill of materials data is generated in the background and automatically transferred to our ERP system.
IMOS definitely helps us handle our daily operations more efficiently, especially through the configurator. The configurator allows us to represent wardrobes, sideboards, overhead cabinets, and various individual components, and customize them with features like interior fittings and decor. This makes the process much faster.
IMOS is fully integrated into our IT landscape with automatic data exchange between the ERP system and IMOS, which then forwards the data to the manufacturing execution system.
We are very satisfied with the cooperation. We have been working successfully together for many years, and we look forward to a positive future with our partner, IMOS.